পাড়ের কাণ্ডারি, an unworldly Leela of Sri Nityagopal. Dharmodas Rai, a first follower of Sri Nityagopal and son of Sri Motilal Rai of Navadvip, a bard by profession, made out a team of singers to enact a play named Maruti Milan, and went to Muragacha, a village some 20 miles off from Krishnanagar, on the following day of Janmashtami. They played and came to the ferryghat to return to Navadvip at the dead of night. At that late hours of night, ferry boat was not available, particularly in those days. The team men were very anxious. They requested Dharmodas to appeal to Guru Sri Nityagopal. Dharmodas was thoughtful how he could ask for the Guru Sri Nityagopal. He was dubious. Anyway, he called for the Guru. "Oh, Gurudev, please do something because we are stranded." Gurudev Sri Nityagopal was wakeful at about 5 miles off. Within 2 to 3 minutes, a boat really came up. A man was found to alight from the boat, whose back portion resembled like Sri Nityagopal. The team men at once boarded the boat, and they started the boat without looking for the boatman. The boat was gliding on the Ganga river and came on the mid-Ganga. Now began the dire consequence of not mindful of the boatman. Ganga water was crowding on the boat, and the boat was about to be drowned. The team men were very much alarmed and tried their best to sprinkle water from the boat. The boat became uncontrollable. The plight at that time was so grim and alarming that drowning in the mid-Ganga was imminent. At that time, complete surrender to God was only the medicine, because only trying, weeping and wailing were not workable unless God saves us. Hence, rowing stopped, only praying and offering our destiny to God were the only solution. When the entire people on the board left hulk and oars after 2 to 3 minutes, the boat came rolling down with the boatman alighting from the boat, vanishing somewhere. Dharmodas noticed that hinder portion of the boatman resembled like Sri Nityagopal. Anyway, as soon as the boat came, the team men embarked on the boat and left the boat gliding on. The boat came on the bank of Navadvip, and the team men, leaving the boat, asking the boatman to take the fare. But there was no boatman, as evidenced erstwhile. Everybody left the boat excepting Dharmodas, who boarded the boat, hulk and oars, and then proceeded towards ashram, where Gurudev was fast asleep. The Gurudev, who has proved to be God 100%, though sleeping humanly, called for Nityakali, the attendant, to say that Dharmodas was coming, so the outer gate door should be opened. Dharmodas came up and found that the door gate was opened in the late hours of night, and Nityakali was there standing with a lantern. Dharmodas Rai entered inside when Sri Nitya Gopal, extending his right hand, was asking for fares. Dharmodas could not withstand the circumstances of unworldly and impossible, but beyond human intelligence, fell on the ground, outwitted and senseless. Sri Nitya Gopal hurried over there with a fan and began fanning Dharmodas. And Nityakali came up and sprinkled water in the face, eyes and head. Early in the morning, Dharmodas arranged for a festival with khichuri, begun bhaja and payas. Whole day spent in Sankirtan, and the occasion was commemorized as Parir Kandari Utsav.
ওগো কর্ণধার করুণায় পার তোমার শ্রীপাদ পদ্মে কোটি নমস্কার তোমার শ্রীপাদ পদ্মে কোটি নমস্কার